Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey into the heart of our planet, where we'll unearth the secrets of rocks that could be worth thousands. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of valuable rocks and discover how to identify these hidden gems. From the depths of ancient volcanoes to the beds of prehistoric rivers, we'll traverse diverse landscapes in search of these geological marvels. We'll delve into the science behind their formation, learn to recognize their unique characteristics, and uncover the stories they hold. You never know, you might just find a hidden fortune at your feet. Remember the title of this video. These rocks could be worth thousands. Look closely. Our first treasure hunt brings us face to face with the enigmatic geode. These unassuming spherical rocks often blend seamlessly with their surroundings. But crack one open, and you might be greeted by a dazzling display of crystals. Geodes are formed over millennia as mineral-rich water seeps into cavities within volcanic rock or limestone. Slowly, layer by layer, crystals begin to grow inwards, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Look for geodes in areas known for volcanic activity or limestone formations. Amethyst, quartz, and calcite are just a few of the precious crystals that can be found within these natural treasure chests. The value of a geode depends on the size, quality, and rarity of the crystals inside. Our journey for hidden treasures now takes us to the verdant slopes where Jade, the stone of heaven, is found. Revered for centuries, particularly in Asian cultures, Jade represents prosperity, health, and good luck. Jade is not just a single mineral, but a term used for two distinct minerals, nephrite and jadeite. Both are incredibly tough and durable, making them ideal for carving intricate sculptures and jewelry. Jadeite, the rarer of the two, is known for its vibrant green hues, while nephrite typically ranges from creamy white to dark green. Look for jade in areas with metamorphic rocks, often near riverbeds and streams. Identifying jade can be tricky, but its hardness is a key characteristic. From ancient artifacts to modern masterpieces, jade continues to captivate with its timeless beauty and cultural significance. Prepare to be mesmerized as we delve into the world of opal, a gemstone that carries the fire of the Australian outback and the magic of 1,000 rainbows. Unlike any other gemstone, opal is renowned for its captivating play of color, a phenomenon known as opalescence. This mesmerizing display of light is caused by the diffraction of light through microscopic silica spheres within the opal structure. The size and arrangement of these spheres determine the colors and patterns that dance within the stone. Opal is found in a variety of colors, from the fiery reds and oranges of Mexican fire opals to the cool blues and greens of Australian black opals. Look for opal in areas with a history of volcanic activity or sedimentary rock formations. Its value depends on the brilliance, color play, and pattern within the stone. Owning an opal is like owning a piece of the sky, with its ever-changing patterns and mesmerizing colors. Our quest for earthly treasures takes an interstellar turn as we explore the captivating world of meteorites, celestial messengers that have fallen to Earth from the vast expanse of space. These extraterrestrial rocks offer a rare glimpse into the composition of planets and asteroids beyond our own. Meteorites are typically composed of iron, nickel, or a combination of both. They often have a dark fusion crust, created by the intense heat generated during their fiery descent through Earth's atmosphere. Look for a heavy, magnetic rock with a distinctive fusion crust. They often have unusual shapes and may exhibit thumbprint-like indentations called regmaglyphs. Meteorites are incredibly rare and hold immense scientific and monetary value. Finding a meteorite is like holding a piece of the cosmos in your hand, a tangible link to the vast universe beyond our own. Our pursuit of natural riches now leads us to the allure of gold, a metal that has captivated civilizations for millennia. Unlike the refined gold we see in jewelry and coins, gold in its natural form as nuggets holds a raw, untamed beauty. Over millions of years, gold dissolved in groundwater is transported and deposited in veins and cracks within quartz rock. Erosion and weathering gradually release these gold particles, which then accumulate in riverbeds and streams, forming nuggets. Prospecting for gold nuggets requires patience, knowledge, and a keen eye. Look for gold in areas with a history of gold mining or along riverbeds and streams where gold is known to accumulate. Gold is incredibly dense and has a distinctive metallic luster. The thrill of finding a gold nugget is unmatched, a tangible reminder of nature's ability to create treasures of exceptional beauty and value. Our journey through the world of valuable rocks now brings us to agate, a gemstone prized for its vibrant colours and intricate patterns. Each agate is a unique work of art, a testament to nature's creativity. Agates are formed within volcanic and metamorphic rocks, where silica-rich solutions seep into cavities and slowly crystallise. The distinctive banding patterns are created by layers of different minerals, each contributing its own unique hue to the overall design. Agates come in a kaleidoscope of colours, from deep reds and oranges to tranquil blues and greens. The patterns can range from simple bands to complex swirls and landscapes, making each agate a one-of-a-kind treasure. Look for agates in areas with volcanic activity or metamorphic rock formations. Agates have been used for centuries in jewellery, carvings, and decorative objects. Our quest for valuable rocks reaches its pinnacle as we explore the captivating world of diamonds, the hardest naturally occurring substance on Earth and the ultimate symbol of love, purity, and enduring strength. Diamonds are formed deep within the Earth's mantle, under conditions of intense heat and pressure. This process transforms carbon atoms into a tightly bound crystalline structure, giving diamonds their exceptional hardness and brilliance. Over millions of years, volcanic eruptions carried diamonds to the Earth's surface, where they are often found in kimberlite pipes, remnants of ancient volcanic activity. Identifying a rough diamond requires a keen eye and knowledge of its key characteristics. Look for a transparent or translucent stone with exceptional brilliance and a greasy luster. The journey of a diamond from the depths of the Earth to a dazzling piece of jewellery is a testament to the transformative power of nature and the enduring allure of these precious gemstones. Our exploration of valuable rocks takes us on a journey through time as we uncover the secrets of fossils, remnants of ancient life preserved in stone. These petrified remains offer a glimpse into Earth's prehistoric past. Fossils are formed through fossilization, where remains are buried in sediment and replaced by minerals. This process preserves the shape and structure of the organism. From towering dinosaurs to delicate insects, fossils tell the story of life on Earth. Our exploration of valuable rocks now leads us to the captivating world of turquoise, a gemstone prized for its vibrant blue-green hues and ancient origins. For millennia, turquoise has been treasured by cultures around the world, adorning everything from jewellery to ceremonial objects. Turquoise is formed through a complex geological process involving the interaction of copper-rich solutions with aluminum and phosphorus-bearing rocks. The characteristic blue-green colour is due to the presence of copper, while variations in shade and intensity are influenced by the presence of other minerals. Turquoise is often found in arid regions, where it forms in veins and nodules within volcanic rock. The southwestern United States, Mexico, Iran and Egypt are renowned for their turquoise deposits. It has a distinctive blue-green colour and a waxy lustre. From ancient amulets to modern masterpieces, turquoise continues to captivate with its timeless beauty and cultural significance. Our final destination on this journey takes us to the fascinating world of amber, a gemstone with a unique origin story. Unlike most gemstones, amber is fossilized tree resin, preserving glimpses of life millions of years ago. It begins as sticky resin from coniferous trees, often as a defense mechanism. Over millions of years, this resin hardens, trapping insects and plants within its golden embrace. The Baltic region is renowned for its abundant amber deposits, yielding some of the oldest and most valuable specimens. Amber offers a captivating window into the past, connecting us to a world long gone. As our journey comes to an end, I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for the hidden treasures that lie beneath our feet. So keep your eyes peeled, your minds curious, and your spirits adventurous. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Until next time, happy treasure hunting. Happy.